6.3, Topsy.com. Topsy is an absolutely massive social database holding every single tweet since 2006 and presenting it in a very searchable, very manageable fashion. It will also give us most current social trends and a great way to analyze keywords against each other. Let's check it out. Okay guys, now we're here at Topsy.com. Have a look in the URL for the exact spelling, Topsy.com. This is an amazing resource for your Twitter account. It literally has indexed every single tweet since 2006 and made it searchable right here. You don't have to sign in for your Twitter account. You can just simply come in here, type in a keyword for your industry or a keyword that you're interested in for your personal account. You can choose between the links, tweets, photos, videos, and influencers, which are the top Twitter accounts. I'm just going to keep it at everything for now and search that. This populates over here on the right all the tweets in the past hour sorted by relevance to fitness. So it's going to start with the most influential tweets and the most popular tweets and go down. You can sort this by day or week or month. You can see there's been over 1.1 million tweets in the last month about fitness. This is an amazing opportunity to connect with all these people who are currently tweeting about fitness and interested in fitness or whatever industry keyword that is important to your Twitter account. Down here on the left, you can simply sort between the link shared, just the tweets. You can sort by photos. It's also be good to borrow some content or to copy some content for your Twitter account. You see what is popular on Twitter, come in here, copy this to your own Twitter account, or even come in here and just retweet this. It'll obviously be popular for your Twitter fans because they are the same fans as this industry. Top influencers is going to be very, very useful. You'll see who the top influencers, the people who are getting mentioned the most in your industry, and it'd be great to try and reach out and connect to them and get in front of their fans, and in return they can get in front of your fans. Send them a direct message, tweet to them, find what they like and mention them in that tweet. Social analytics is the second thing. It's really, really great, really simple as well. You get to compare between 2 and 3 keywords on Twitter, and it'll give you for the last month the most popular keywords and how often they're being tweeting. So if you are in a sport industry and you're wondering what sport is more popular, this is the pre-filled out search. It's football, soccer, basketball. As you can see, football is the most tweeted about, and then I guess basketball, and then soccer. So again, come in here and put in keywords relevant to your industry. You may want to see, if we're in the fitness industry, you may want to see what's more popular between fitness, healthy, and weight loss. Maybe we should do 2 words here. You'll see that healthy is the most tweeted about thing, so therefore more people are talking about healthy, more people are searching healthy. Therefore you'd be more beneficial to be talking about healthy than talking about weight loss. Depending on who you're targeting and how specific you want to get, come in here and put in your keywords. The last very useful feature is social trends. Now, because this is worldwide, you want to come down here and pick English or pick your language, whatever that is, and you will see the social trends, which are, these are now the top 100 most popular things on Twitter right now. So the top one here has been interacted with more than 4.4 thousand times, which is very high, and it's from Gary Lineker. I'm not exactly sure how to say that, and it's just a simple tweet. You come onto his profile, you see he has 2.2 million followers. So that is why it's so popular. Where is the exact tweet? This one right here. Expand this. It's got 4,600 retweets, 3,300 favorites, and of course a lot of comments. If you are in the soccer industry, it'd be great to come in here, or even if you're not, it's great to come in here and see people who are online and advertise or tweet value to them. As you can see, this person's done that, Ariana Grange. She's advertising buying 1,000 followers for only $7, gives you a link. You don't have to, this is a little bit spammy. I wouldn't recommend doing anything like this, but come in here and tweet maybe to the top users, people who have lots of followers, and get in touch, expand your network for the popular trends that are going right now. Once again, you can sort by everything: links, tweets, photos, and videos. So if we want to see the top 100 videos right now, this is them right now. This is again great for reposting content that is popular on Twitter, so your fans will start liking your content more and you get a reputation of having great content. Or it's great for networking and talking to powerful Twitter users who post this content. This is Topsy. Come in here. It's very it's quite simple, but it takes a little bit to get used to. So come and have a play around, search your keywords, do some research, and you'll start seeing great results once you start taking action on all of this data. That's Topsy.com. Check it out, guys.